Chief, you defied my instructions not to go out or engage in any workload.
Doctor, you don't expect me to lie around here doing nothing.
Chief, but you have capable hands running the affairs of the company. If you do not restrain, I am sorry, other complications may arise. And I do not know if your heart is capable to bear the pangs for another surgery. Ma'am, you are a doctor, and I am sure you know exactly what I'm talking about.
I have been talking to him. He won't listen.
You want to force me into an early retirement?
If I have to force you to retirement, for you to be hale and healthy, I will. Because you have a capable man, for goodness sake, to run the affairs of Namani's dynasty. Get out.
You heard him the last time we talked about it. That young man has no interest in the Namanis dynasty, and you know it.
It doesn't matter what he wants. This is a necessity, and his opinion is inconsequential. This family has been running on a relay race, and his won't be any different. Dillion is your successor.
And you know the rules. No bride, no seat for him as the head of the dynasty.
Well, what needs to be done will be done. He has to do what has to be done.
We all know the way it went last time.
Well, this time it will be different. I am going to arrange a conference call with Dillion and Laura. Go and prepare the household for dinner.
You this silly girl. Must you always startle someone?
He's coming back. He's coming back.
Who is coming back and why are you this excited?
Dillion is coming back from the UK.
Hey, shush. That's not true. And even if what you say is true, why must the information come from you? I mean, why must you be the first to know, huh?
Hey, Miss Blogger. Low budget Linda Ikeji. We know you know it all. But I'm sorry to burst your bubbles, darling. This particular information eluded you this time around. Dillion is coming back from the UK.
Hey, and why are you jumping like a frog, like he's coming back for you?
Of course he's coming back for me. He is coming back for me.
In your dreams.
Don't I have what it takes to be the next Mrs. Namani?
Sorry, the pepper in the food I'm cooking in the kitchen is choking me.
Is that pepper that will kill you there?
Sorry, I don't mean to be rude, but if anyone should have a shot at Dillion, that woman should be me.
What's funny? Are you remaining somewhere or this?
Oh my God. Listen up. You girls are living in fool's paradise. I mean, do you realize the caliber of man we are talking about here?
Tell us.
I'll tell you, my darling. A fifth generation multi-millionaire.
Oh, yeah.
The son and heir apparent to Nnamani's dynasty. Does that ring a bell?
It doesn't ring a bell. Miss Blogger, Madam Forbes magazine, tell us what we don't know already.
Yeah. So you know. So why do you choose to remain gullible, huh?
Biacha Sabiman, or whatever you call yourself, don't insult me. We went to university, so don't even try to use grammar to confuse me. What's the meaning of that one now? Queen and Queen, they may understand. Just stop it there.
Chelsea.
Yes?
Or whatever you call yourself.
Sure.
What makes you think that Dillion cannot fall for us?
Because you girls do not have the requisite class, the poise, the confidence to be Mrs. Nnamani.
Chelsea, you're a very funny character. So is it you now that is standing here? Abi, you remain inside.
You're around me and my sister.
Is it you that has the requisite class to become his wife?
Of course, my darling. I am a graduate of the prestigious Downtown University of Science and Technology. A member of the alumnus of the same great institute.
You have seen me now. I'm a graduate of the Uptown University of my father's village.
Maybe. Who knows?
You forgot to add that you're a master's degree holder in washing plates and wearing big shoes.
Whatever. You know what will kill you? Is jealousy. Yes, you always ooze of jealousy because you know you can't even measure up to my standard. As a matter of fact, you are not even up to my shoes. So girl, choke on it. You know what? I don't blame you. You see this job? It's temporal. With time, I'll take a walk.
Abia.
Well, if you ask me, I think we all should stop quibbling and get into a contest. And let's see who gets picked by Dillion.
Beautiful. Let the contest begin.
You're just wasting your time.
Una defunny me, oh. Una really defunny me. Wait. You all want to go into a contest?
Of course.
For a man you don't even know if he's coming back to Nigeria with another woman. And, madam, I know it all. Chelsea, what gives you the impression that there are no such ladies? What did she call it again? Poise and class.
Requisite class.
Yes. In the UK, that you will fly over 6,000 kilometers just to come get who? You.
I'm special.
Hey, Chelsea.
Wait, you all have common problem. And you know what that is? Long throat. Long throat is your problem. You've stayed long enough in corridor of wealth. That makes you all think that you have a room here. You know what? Go back to your duties and stop gossiping.
What's calling kettle?
Daughters of Jezebel. A1 in gossip. F9 in common sense. What are you gossiping about? Instead of you to invest your time to develop yourself, you sit around here, eat and gossip. Fools. And you, the very one with POP on her legs. I'll take care of you. Idiot.
No, slap
POP on her legs.
Honestly, just slap my phone.
POP on her legs. Stop wearing POP on her legs.
Can you
Come on,
afford
girl.
looking like a nurse?
It's not Madame Kweko that asked me to leave the room.
Why?
Because she doesn't want me to listen to what she was telling Madame.
What could she be telling Madame that she doesn't want someone else to hear?
I think it has to do with finding a wife for Dillion.
But why would they be looking for a wife for him when he can't do it himself?
Exactly! My question exactly. Why would they be looking for a wife for him when I'm here? You know.
When you're where?
When I'm here.
Tora, I think you should go back to what you were doing before. Than standing here and wallowing your own foolishness. Don't you think?
So you call this foolishness, Abby?
But that is it.
No problem. Just wait until I become Dillion's wife.
By that time, you'll be begging to have a word with me. Don't worry.
By that time, I will be the wife to the president of this country, you know, right? Dreamer, keep dreaming.
Chelsea, you're getting dressed already.
As you can see.
But I'm here to get satisfied.
I didn't come here to get you satisfied. I came here to get laid.
Come off it, Chelsea. Stop the pretense, okay? I know you love me and you get into my arms whenever you want to. So why acting up?
Please, don't think so highly of yourself, all right? Anyways, I don't have time for all this your nonsense. Are you expecting anybody?
No, I'm not. Did anyone see you walk into the room?
How am I supposed to know that, huh?
You are summoned.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything should be fine.
Listen, I don't want to get caught. If anything happens, I'll kill you.
You brought yourself here now too.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I summoned you here to inundate you about what to expect in the coming week. We will be playing host to Dillian, who is slated to return and take over the affairs of the dynasty. So I expect each and every one of you to be well behaved and well dressed. If I find anyone wanting, especially you the girls, I would not hesitate to send you back to the trenches where you belong. And you know that I have the powers to do that. So, I would not tolerate laxity, gross misconduct, or gossip around here. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now get your stupid and poverty-stricken selves out of my sight this minute. Get out. Maurice?
Yes, ma'am.
Get me a glass of wine.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop laughing now. Be coming down. Wait. It's now. Good day, all. This is to. Good day, all. I called you here to inundate. We are to play hosts to Dillian, who is slated to come back to take over the affairs of things in and around here. If any of you, especially the girls, you and Chelsea, not me, if any of you is found wanting, I will not hesitate to send you back to where you came from. You forgot the gossip part. Let me do it for you. She went like this. She said, be about your duties as I will not tolerate any form of laxity, unnecessary gossips, and you not hear us, Jerry. Obasabi no go kiss Stella.
I swear, ever since she was made the chief domestic staff, she has been thinking, carrying herself like the madam of the secretary. Exactly! Carry!
Olivia.
Listen up, girls. I understand your pain, alright? But trust me, all this will end soon.
Ow! Ow!
Question. When I become Mrs. Dillion Namani, I will ensure that you girls are adequately taken care of.
It's not adequate. Sorry. Right on with your speech. Right on, ma.
As a matter of fact, I will ask my husband to increase your salary and promote you.
Joseph, the dreamer. Mind you, the dreamer. Chelsea, the dreamer. Keep dreaming.
Right on, my sister.
You girls can laugh all you want, but believe me, it will happen soon. Very.
Please, when you become Mrs. Dillion, please, Mrs. Dillion, go.
I'm not asking for too much. Just make me your PA. Abi? I don't even know.
You don't want anything.
I don't even know the one I want.
Chief Vice
Me? Chief of staff, exactly. She, PA. Chief Vice maid. Sorry, Mrs. Dillion. Chicken Namani.
Of the Namani's dynasty!
Offense! Dirty like this. Mrs. Dillion.
Rubbish, look at this one. Come on, girl.
You will see. Just watch and see.
Nina, hold up. You can use this something.
You guys ain't gonna see me coming. You can laugh all you want, but I assure you that it will come to pass. If you like to believe, if you like you don't believe, you can laugh all you want. I will be Mrs. Nnamani. Take it or leave it.
Oh, GM.
Good day, Chief.
Good day. You may go.
Okay, sir.
So, how are you?
Everything and more. You like it?
Sure.
So I'll give you the
Sorry, say it like to us. Yes, I did. I have them here.
I shall peruse them later.
I love you. He said it's only business. If it's not business, I shouldn't come. I was stubborn, was gentle. But here we are. I'm about to feed the same lady.
Okay, Chief. I will do just that. I have to be on my way now, Chief.
Sorry.
My greetings to everyone. All right, Chief.
Hey, good day, Ma.
Good day. You must be Diamond.
Yes.
You are indeed Diamond.
Oh, thank you.
So how's your fashion business?
Fashion.
You're into fashion, aren't you?
Of course. You know, fashion business is going on well. And if you must know, I love making dresses for renowned, influential, beautiful, high-class women like you.
So I've got a double package. A daughter-in-law and a fashion designer. All in one.
All in one? Yes, actually. Thank you.
Love your smile.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Ma, yes. The table is set. Just in time. Let's go and eat.
Food is ready. Okay.
After you.
Yeah. My bad, my bad.
Wow.
No. This one. My dad takes it a lot. This wine is made in Dubai. Dubai, right? Togo. Maybe Togo. Yeah. Servant. 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 Pick this thing up. Pick it, pick it. Pick it up. You know, I eat this a lot in my father's house. And most of the wine my father loves drinking, they're from Dubai.
Jane, this is not a laughing matter. Can you imagine that small girl asking me to pick up the towel that she used in wiping her smelly mouth? Just imagine.
She did it on purpose.
Of course she did.
If you ask me, there is trouble.
How do you mean?
Our individual plans to get Dillion, marry any of us, may have come to an end with the arrival of that girl.
Impossible! I can't allow that nitwit have a chance with my Dillion. Not in this life, not even in the next life.
And that nitwit happens to be the only daughter of Chief Magnus Diribe. Does that name not ring a bell to you?
I don't care if she is Dangote or Otedola's daughter. That brat, or nitwit like you called her, is no match to me. Come on, girls, take a good look at me now. Look at me, full option. I can cook, I can sweep, I can clean, I have sense, I have Nkiruka and Azuka to back it up. Does that not make me a complete wife material? 1 million yards?
Oh, please. I am Chelsea, the exclusive reserve of the rich, mighty, and influential.
Influential, just like Fred, Abby.
Fred? Hey. Well, every woman has a Fred in her life, right?
You mean to say every woman has a free servicing cucumber?
Jacob, that's serious.
It's very important.
Thank you so much for the dinner. I really enjoyed myself.
It's good having you. So we look forward to seeing you again soon.
Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
Right. All right, you take care of yourself, all right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
All right.
What do you think about her? Does she have the qualities required?
Well, physically, yes. But it remains to be seen, what she has to offer on the inside.
Well, ma'am, you don't need to worry. She has a good upbringing, and I'm sure Dillion will love her when he sees her.
Oh, speaking about Dillion and his eventual return, how far have you gone with the preparation for the gala night?
Oh, I have everything drafted out. I think you should come see it.
Okay.
Are you still on this?
Yes, ma. I am almost done.
For how long? Listen, I will not tolerate such lackadaisical attitude here. Okay? Everything around here has time and you must keep to it.
I am sorry, ma.
Rubbish. And what do you have behind you?
Ma? My hands.
Damn it. I mean, what is in those stupid hands of yours?
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, right away, ma'am. I'm not done with you yet.
Look, don't mind that stupid Stella. Very soon, you will be mine. And mine alone. I love you.
The drum is for Dinian. For Dinian. For Dinian. For Dinian. For Dinian. For Dinian. The drum is for Dinian. For Dinian.
I know you would be whispering among yourselves, asking questions like, who is she? And why is she here? Well, let me formally introduce her to you. Her name is Diamond Diribe, the daughter of Chief Magnus Diribe. She's not of your class. Don't go there. Well, in a matter of weeks, she would be assuming her conjugal duties as the wife of the sole heir apparent of Namani's dynasty. And you were mandated to respect her to the letters. If she for any reason complains about mistreatment from any of you, I would not hesitate to sought the permission of the madam of the house to send you all back to the trenches where you belong. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Diamond, would you want to add anything to it?
You know, anyway, you all should just keep being the humble servant.
Servant, shut up. Servant.
And try not to get under my melanin delicate skin. That's all. That's all.
Now let me break that to your level. She said you should not get under her delicate, melanin, and expensive skin. Is that clear?
Yes,
ma'am. Now get your half-baked selves out of my sight. Now.
Right now, please. Thank you.
Get out, forward, march, out. Out, out, gossip, out.
We are fully baked.
Half-baked gossip.
I'm not even baked at all.
Get out, look at her, oversized boots. Get out, busybody.
Come on now.
My darling, would you want something to eat or drink?
Yes, so I'm hungry.
Don't worry, it's just a call away.
What is this?
It's rice, ma.
You must be very stupid. Of course I know this is rice. I mean, what kind of a tasteless food is this? Aha. You brought poison for me to eat. No, you want to kill me. Aha.
Poison?
Mm-hmm.
Ma, there's no poison in this food, though.
I don't understand. What do you mean there's no poison in this food? Oh, are you trying to say that I don't have a taste bud? No, you're trying to call me a moron, a fool, that I'm not able to differentiate what tastes good and what doesn't. This is obviously poison. I mean, even an animal can't even survive this. Let alone a human being like me. This is poison.
There's no poison in this food. I've been cooking in this house for a very long time and nobody has ever complained of my food. Even governors and presidents that come to visit Oga in this estate, I've cooked for them as well. I've not had any complaint.
Wow.
You don't know what you're talking about, though.
Bravo. Chef. So you're proudly telling me that you've been feeding this household with rubbish? Huh?
My food is not rubbish. My food...
What do you mean your food is not rubbish now? Who can survive this food?
My food is not
Your
rubbish.
food is rubbish. Don't tell me that. This food is rubbish. Who can survive this? Now, look at it. I can't even swallow it. You know what? You're insulting me. You're calling me a liar and a fool. But you know what? I am going to report to Stella. Yes. Stella must hear this.
Might not insult
that you brought poison for me to eat.
Might not insult you. I did not insult you, but if you want to go and report to Madam Stella, no problem now. Go and report now. No problem.
This is...
Eat that one. No problem. Eat it.
Bring that food back. Can you bring it back?
So you have the sense to insult Dillion's fiance.
Stella, I didn't insult.
Excuse me? What did you just call me? No, say that again.
Chief of Staff, I didn't insult her. She was the one who said my food was tasteless and poisonous and wasn't good for animal consumption, let alone a human being. So I had to take it away.
It's not true. I mean, I only pointed out a few things that was missing in the food, and then she got angry and took the food away.
Hey!
Yeah.
You're lying now.
How am I lying? Are you?
You're calling your boss's fiancé a liar? Really? Okay, fine. I will let this slide this time. But the next time it repeats itself again, I will send you back to the trenches where you belong. Now go right in there, prepare her a fresh meal, and make sure this time around is tasty. Now get out! Out! Get out!
What if she doesn't like the food when I make it?
It means that you are stupid, useless, and irrelevant to this dynasty. And that means you have to leave. So go and prepare a fresh meal. Get out. Get out. Stupid girl.
And please sauce it well.
Look at her. Oh my dear, I'm sorry. You know, they just sit around here, eat, consume food that they can't even eat in their houses and grow big like fools. I'm sorry, my dear. She'll make something nice for you.
How did he go?
Can you imagine that stupid girl that calls herself Diamond, Abi, Bronze, Abi, whatever her stupid name is? Telling Madam Kwekwe that she never said my food was tasteless and poisonous. That she only pointed out what I should have done. Dorachi, you have suffered. That she only pointed out what I should have done to have made the food tasted better than it was. Just imagine that kind of stupid talk.
You know, the very first day I set my eyes on her, I knew she's going to be a trouble to all of us.
Hey, all of you, not me. She tries that nonsense with me. I'll so beat her and damn the consequences.
You would risk your job?
What job? I don't care about the job. If she tries that nonsense with me, I'll show her why they call me Chelsea. Wait and see, just watch. Rubbish.
So did you make her another food?
Yes, I did. But I wish I put poison in that food so that she will eat it and die. She should not worry. Another time is coming.
Nonsense.
Ma'am,
I mean, can't you greet?
Oh, I'm so sorry. My greetings.
Servant, what do you want?
Ma, I came to tell you that I've been seeing the way things are going around here, right? Especially between you and Dora. But I've come to tell you not to mind them. Yes, they are only jealous of you. They are jealous of the fact that they cannot even get up to your fingernails. Alright? Amongst all of them, I am the most educated one here. And I have chosen to be by your side. Alright? The whole thing happening here is steaming jealousy. Jealousy inside poverty. Yes, ma'am, poverty.
So if I understand the rubbish you're trying to say, you want to be my eyes?
Exactly, ma'am.
And my ear? In this estate?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, that's a point worth considering. But if I may ask, at what price?
Price? There's no price, ma'am. I just want to do the right thing by standing with you.
Anyway, I'll think about it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me the opportunity at least.
Olivia!
What is it now? Why did you wake me up?
Why are you sleeping by this time of the day?
Is it your business?
I'm not special. Are you holding close to your heart?
None of your business.
None of my business.
Why are you dressed like this?
Oh, in case you have forgotten, Dillion is on his way back to the country.
Your twin has arrived. Yes, and we need to get you prepared to receive them right now.
Look at you. You look so cool. I told your mom that I can still run, but she won't take it.
Because she wants the best for you, Dad.
My goodness. My goodness. Oh my God. What? The lion. God. The lion. Mark, hey! Do not try to take my shine. Step aside. Thank you. Okay. Billionaire. My name is Oscar from Alabama. And trust me, you owe me quite a fortune for taking care of your son. Will that house to me. Your friend really has a great sense of humor, you know.
Yes, Dad. You have not seen anything
Oscar.
yet.
Oh, mommy. Look at mommy. And look at daddy.
Yes.
Look at them looking like vampires all the time.
Come on.
And I have to take good pictures of you guys. I'll show my friends in the States.
Why not?
Sorry, please. Without you, please.
The lion.
Chill.
This is a country home. You have mosque. You have church. You have library. In your house.
Of course, everything. Anything.
Alright, can we all go inside?
The lion.
The banquet is ready. Come on.
The lion. The lion. The lion. You have ATM machine. In your house. ATM machine.
Let's go.
I am not going back to Alabama.
Good day, you all.
Sir, here are the staff in charge of the day-to-day running in this estate.
So what about the ones I met here the other time I visited?
Oh, they have all been relieved of their duties.
Oh, I see. Any problem?
Not at all, sir. Obi and Fred would meet you when they return. They are on an errand.
Obi and Fred, okay.
This is Maurice. He's in charge of the security units.
Oh, Maurice, right?
Yes, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Here is Dora. She's in charge of food, and she cooks sometimes.
Food, my most special department.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
And here is Olivia. She's in charge of the chores.
Ah, how are you, Olivia?
Olivia!
I'm sorry, you're welcome, sir. You're welcome.
Here is Frank. He's the butler.
And who's she?
Her name is...
Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir. I'm so sorry for coming late. Please, pardon my manners.
So, who are you?
My name is Chelsea Neoma Chukwumeri J, a graduate of Fine and Applied Arts from the prestigious Downtown University of Science and Technology. I am the chef in charge in this estate. My culinary skills are second to none, as I have cooked for President Macron of France and also...
Chelsea, enough.
One more thing, sir. On behalf of the staff of Namani, I present to you this beautiful gift. Right? Right?
Step aside.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Step
I appreciate. Thank you all.
Oh, you're welcome,
What was the meaning of what you did back there?
What did I do?
You see? Pretender. Now she's acting like she doesn't know what she did. Chelsea,
Yes.
why did you have to make us look stupid before Dillion?
Stupid?
Yes.
You still haven't made any point.
My friend, shut up. Shut up. What was the gift all about? When did we discuss gifting Dillion?
Exactly.
When? When did we discuss that?
You have no right to tell me to shut up.
Really?
Do you hear me?
Really?
Yes. And as for the gift, let me remind you girls that we are in a contest. And what you saw over there is my own creative way of getting the man after my heart to look my way. All right?
So wearing short skirts and big boots, they're not enough for you again, Abby? You had to go out to get gifts without even informing us. You think Dillion will fall for something that cheap? Huh?
Cheap or not, the most important thing is that he noticed me. And that is what I call progress. Shove it down your throat.
You see?
He noticed you.
You see that?
In a cheap way. And you think he will respect you.
Okay. No problem.
Can you imagine?
He'll just choose you and dump you. It's in a cheap way.
Hey, I just feel like squeezing this girl.
I feel
like squeezing her.
You they make person the verse. So.
No problem. We shall see. No problem. You're sitting down. Soon come and catch you, madam. Quick, catch you. No problem.
Yes, my dear, you can see that again. I mean, Nigeria is a beautiful country. You can easily, where you can easily get hold of our local dishes here and there. Unlike Canada, my dear, the last time I traveled to Canada, I found it really difficult to get hold of our local delicacies.
Really?
I tell you, like I did like this. I searched everywhere. It was really hard. Yeah.
Well, we have our own delicacies over there in America, but it's not as delicious as the one prepared here.
Yeah. Yes. I agree with you because, I mean, the last time I traveled to Dober in Germany, it wasn't all that hard for me to get eba and oha soup. Yes, it was just like I just found the restaurant immediately. Yeah. Sorry. Dilban in Switzerland. Yes, Dilban in Switzerland. I mean,
Dilban is not in Germany or Switzerland. Dilban is on the island.
Wait a minute. Yes! Oh my goodness. Sorry. Pardon me. Yes. My bad. Yes, my bad. Aha! Dilban is on a... Oh, yeah. You know, I have traveled so wide that I tend to use the cities interchangeably. You know, yes. Dilban, England. Yeah. So, anyway, I ate a lot.
The barn is not in England. The barn is in Ireland.
It is now very healed. What is it?
What is wrong with you?
What?
Do you want to ruin this rare opportunity for us?
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? I heard you went in there to embarrass yourself. Talking about a city you know absolutely nothing about. Do you even know the caliber of people we are dealing with? Do you?
What wrong did I do? I just wanted to, feel among. I just wanted him to see me like classy, like I have all it takes to be his wife,
Listen, you don't have to play to the gallery to make him see you as classy. You are beautiful enough. Just be natural and let it flow. Oh. It's not just oh. It's not a matter of oh at all. Don't ruin this chance for us. Don't, because I won't take it.
I've heard you now. I've heard you. Moreover, Charles has been calling you.
And who is Charles?
Charles, my boyfriend now. You're asking me who is Charles.
What does he want? I thought I asked you to block him. You know what? Give me your phone. Your phone.
Give me your phone. What does my phone have to do with this now?
You'll get a new phone and a new SIM card before the end of today. I don't want you to ever contact him again. Rubbish.
iPhone 13.
It's very funny. All this drama
iPhone 13.
every day is funny. Yeah. The drum is for Dillion. All this drum is for Dillion. It's for Dillion. It's for Dillion. Yeah. These girls not busybody. Said action doesn't work no more. That for sure is old. Because men are now wise.
I guess that should be Laura. Oh, you.
Good, sir.
Good. I can see you're getting ready for the party.
Yeah, actually. I know what you're wearing.
Oh, really? You do?
Yeah. It's a
Thank
choice
you.
of color, actually.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me help you with that.
Okay,
And
thank
this.
you. I thought I fixed that already.
Yes, but it's not properly fixed.
Okay, thank you.
You look so cute.
Hey, come on! What's that about?
I don't understand. I mean, I thought we were together. I thought we were lovers now.
Lovers? You don't even know me. I don't even know you yet.
Come on. I mean, what is there to know about you?
Hey. Stop. Okay?
Hi, sir. I got you fruit juice.
Okay. But next time, you ask first before bringing anything.
I'm sorry, sir.
And you? I mean, what is this you're wearing?
Sorry?
Sorry, what? Don't you dare pretend you don't know what I'm talking about. I mean, what is this you're putting on?
I honestly don't know.
Oh, please. Just get out. Get out! Did you just see that maggot?
What was that for?
Exactly. What was that for?
No, I'm asking you, what was that for?
Don't tell me you didn't see what she was trying to do. I mean, this girl was trying so hard to seduce you.
Hey, come on, you don't say something like that.
Say something like what? It's crystal clear. But don't worry. I know how best to deal with them.
Hey, no.
It probably looks like her every bit. Cause she didn't feel it. Say, whoa, a day twice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. And oh, a day twice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. Thank you. A round of applause for her. That was a beautiful rendition. Please, you may all have your seats.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good evening to you all. A round of applause for yourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Greg Odinukwe, and I shall be acting as your guide through this monumental occasion. A round of applause for all of you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting much of your time, please allow me to introduce a man to you. Not just any kind of man. A man I call a Superman. A man responsible for the assemblage of these beautiful and wonderful men and women here today. A philanthropist. A man of the people. A man that has touched life. Whose gesture has endeared, has helped a lot of poor Nigerians. Not just that. He has affected lives through our Nigerians. Ladies and gentlemen, he is a giver. A man that people eat today is because of him. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the CEO, Chairman, Bat Oil Company Nigeria Limited. He is the Chairman and the caretaker of Nnamani Dynasty. A round of applause for this man. Ladies and gentlemen, and his very beautiful wife, Dr. Emilia Chikezile Nnamani. You can see the beautiful daughter. And his only son, Gideon Chukwuemeka Chikezile Nnamani. Chikezile Nnamani. His wife-to-be and his wonderful friend, Oscar, all the way from Alabama.
Now, Alabama.
Alabama. You're welcome. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, ma'am. Gentlemen, distinguished ladies, please, you may have your seats. Let me go straight into the order of the day. Allow me to call on Reverend Desmond Anyamo as he leads us in a very short prayer. Reverend, please. A round of applause for him.
Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Glory to Jesus. Let us pray. Our Father in heaven, we thank you for this moment. For us all to see the light of this day together. We have all gathered together here to celebrate a man. Man who has put laughter, happiness, and joy in the lives of many. We ask, O God, that thou strengthen him and his entire household. We pray, Father, thou bless him with wealth, more wealth, and wisdom, knowledge, and all that he requires and desires. We ask, O God, that thou give him the opportunity, more opportunity, to live and rejoice in you. We also pray for everybody that has gathered here today, that thou guide and protect each and every one of us. Lead us all home, safe and sound, to our destinations after we are done here. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
A round of applause for Reverend. Thank you so much, Reverend, for that wonderful prayer. Ladies and gentlemen, please permit me to recognize the board of directors, Nnamani Dynasty. Gentlemen, you're welcome. All right, straight into the business of the day. Please, I do not mean to bore you, but to lighten up your mood, allow me to bring on stage a wonderful singer. A round of applause for yourselves.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you especially to this great occasion. As
say join your mind with us. I say if you say that it's superpower, I can commit to everything. Cause we don't fly that Power Ranger. Oh no no, I can commit to everything. I even said I ain't Superman, no baby, no no no. I can commit to everything. I even started out, I even told it now, baby, no no no. I can commit to everything. I even started out, I even Superman, no baby, no no no. I can commit to everything. I even started out, I even told it now, baby, no no no. I can commit to everything. Hey, see, take over. You like me, they all lie. Who be they all lie, baby? They all lie, no love you like me. I say yeah, papa, yeah, papa. Hey, show me, tell me where you live, tell me where you live, yeah, sisters. I say yeah, brother too. Hey, show me, tell me where you live. Oh, you can see gone. My head never tells you. Forward top of my head, no. I said, yeah, mama.
You see the way I just don't like this lady. See the way she's already behaving as though she's a madam. Do you know you won't even believe what she did to me? Do you know that she insulted me and walked me out of the restroom when I came to serve him drink? Why? Ask me. That I dressed seductively to seduce him.
And who is she again to deal with?
Ask me, yo. Ask me.
You know, there's something really awful about that girl.
What do you mean?
I really can't place my hands on it, but I don't think she's who she claims she is. But don't worry, time will tell. Look at her. I'll be right back.
Olivia.
Ma.
And what are you dwelling at?
Nothing.
Now go about your duty.
Now.
He gets
So talented, you will all agree with me. Yes, yes, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, the moment you've all been waiting for is here. Please, if those hands are not busy, join me with a round of applause as I welcome on stage Chief Dr. Balumi Chikezile Namani. LON. Chief, sir.
Thank you, Greg.
Thank you, Chief.
Ladies and gentlemen, standing on the existing protocol, I want to thank you for coming to celebrate with me and my family at this momentous occasion. The journey has not been easy, yet we made it to this point. First of all, I want to thank God Almighty for His strength and wisdom. I also want to thank my amiable wife, Emilia. Emilia has been there with me from the very beginning. Sweetheart, once again, thank you. I also want to thank the Board of Trustees and the Board of Directors for their effort and hard work. They have actually done so much for the growth of my companies. Thank you very much, gentlemen. My gratitude would not be complete without extending it to the workforce, my employees. You people are wonderful. Thank you very much. As we all know, in life, there is time for everything. I want to formally announce to us that I am going on retirement. It's not because I am tired or weak, no, but because it is a relay race in the Namanese dynasty. The time has come for me to step aside and allow the next generation to continue and take the dynasty to even a greater height.
I want to formally introduce you all to my son, Dillian. Son, the bulk of leadership will soon rest on your shoulders. And I expect nothing but the best. We have never failed, and I don't expect you to fail when the time comes. I have sent my letter of retirement to the Board of Trustees, intimating them of my compulsory retirement. I have also forwarded your name as my worthy replacement. However, that letter takes effect in 2 months. Within this time, you are supposed to present a wife. Oh yes, because you know that in our family, no one has assumed that exalted position without a bride. Yes. That is one of the important requirements you must fulfill as someone built to take over the affairs of the dynasty. Son,
yes, Daddy.
You have to be very careful choosing someone who will stand with you on this journey. Because to a large extent, she will help to build or destroy what has been built already by your forefathers. Nevertheless, I am very optimistic that you will do even better than myself. Ladies and gentlemen, on this note, I want to thank you again for your time. God bless you.
Dillian! Dillian! Honestly, your father is a comedian. So he had to fly 6,000 kilometers for this. But to get a bride, we could as well gotten one from there. Is this why we came here?
And how could that be?
Could?
Yes.
Or should? Nikki, of course.
Hey. I've warned you not to mention her name anywhere close to me. I mean it. What's that? Don't.
You were taking her call last night. Both of you were talking. I see you're surprised. I know you both are into each other. You love each other.
Hey, okay. You know what? This is different, okay? Nikki is a junkie, and she cannot make a good wife.
Good.
Yes.
Now tell me, my very good friend, Dillian, who is going to be your wife?
Hey, Billy, you're here. I've been looking all the way for you, but here you are. So what's up?
You see, hey, Dilly, I will be outside waiting for you.
Hey. It's not even necessary.
Very necessary. Thank you.
Oscar.
Dillian, would you like me to get you anything, something to just cool your temperature?
I'm fine. Excuse
me. Dilly,
Tell me something, Olivia. What? Did you do that on purpose?
Of course I did. Of course I did.
For once, you did something very reasonable.
That girl, it's high time she started respecting people around her. And I needed to tell her that this place is not her father's house.
Of course. Thank you very much for doing exactly what I had in mind.
You girls are not.
But, Olivia, what? I wish you knew you would have added it, mixed it with pepper and acid. Then you pour it on her so her face will burn. Yeah, now. Even though she's already doing Bazakwi.
I'm not ready to go to prison.
Anyways, I feel for my dearly baby. What have you done to deserve such misfits beside you? Huh? In this beautiful location. What? Huh? My baby, you honestly do not deserve that girl. Jeez. You don't. I feel so sorry for you, baby. But don't worry. I am always here for you.
And who should have been beside him?
Me, of course.
Madam Jocelyn, are you not tired of this, your self-defeat and denial?
Ask her.
Are you not tired?
No long talk. In few months' time, we shall see who will be the new Mrs. Tilion Chukwemeka Chikezili Namani.
In few months' time then.
In few months' time as well.
Farming what I'm calling busybody. Yeah.
Okay.
This is very funny. All this drama every day is funny. Yeah. The drama is 14 in your body.
Oh shit.
There is no shit here. It's all me. I mean, don't tell me you don't like what you see. Oh, come on, I bet you do.
Why are you in the mirror naked with myself?
Naked. I mean, we are lovers and we should start getting used to each other and do things that lovers do. Don't you think so?
But we aren't lovers. And we shouldn't start getting used to each other. Right now, what I want you to do for me is leave.
Are you sure about that? Come on. Am I not beautiful? Sexy? And how about you let me tickle your fantasy? I mean, let me take you to Cloud9 and bring you back, baby.
I was on the cloud for over 6 hours. But right now, what I want to do is just lay on my bed and rest.
You want me to rest with you? Okay. That sounds great.
Okay, just turn if you're going to rest together. Yeah. I can just guide you through it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Easy.
So how do you want it?
Just I'll take the lead. And I'll show you how I want it. I like to go up close first. Then I'll unwrap it myself. Put it on like this.
Yeah. This is very funny. All this drama every day is funny. Yeah. The drama is 14 Fordillian.
What is it? Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing, and you're here. You should be in the room with Lily.
He doesn't want me. What do you want me to do?
What did he do?
He sent me out of his room.
Did you do everything I asked you to do?
Of course I did everything you asked me to do. I did even more. I did everything.
We need to act fast before we lose him to another woman.
So what do you suggest we do?
It's too early to run out of option. I'll figure something out. But first, go to sleep.
You needed to have seen the way he treated me like I was a nobody.
Seduction doesn't work no more. That fashion is old. Because men are now wiser. If you want to win a man, baby, try and be yourself. No games at all if you fail.
Yes, come in. Hey, Laura.
Hey, bro. How are you?
I'm fine. How have you been? Come on. How are you?
I'm good.
So, did you drop this?
No.
Okay, I came in a while ago and I saw this flower. The other day, it was a portrait of me.
And you have no idea who is doing all that?
Not at all.
Perhaps you've got a secret admirer.
Secret what?
Yes. You're surrounded by ladies.
And now that's creepy and unacceptable.
Really?
Yeah.
Welcome to Namani's estate. You're welcome.
So funny.
It's funny, bro. You're surrounded by ladies.
Anyway, Mom has been asking of you, so.
Really?
Yes. How about you go check up on her?
Okay, I'll do that later.
I figure this out.
You need to. You need to. You have a secret admirer. I'm coming.
Shush it. Secret what? My foot. Okay, not to display.
This one's for Delia. It's for Delia. For Delia. It's for Delia. For Delia. Yeah. These girls not busy body.
Sir.
Have you finished the job?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Hope you did a good job there.
Yes, sir. You can go and take a look, sir.
No problem. I trust your work, eh? Take.
Thank you, sir.
No problem, eh?
I'll be on my way.
I'll call you whenever I need you, eh? Okay.
Good day.
You sent for me.
Yes. Sit down. How is it going with my son?
Ah, Dillian. It's not going on well.
Don't you know how to seduce a man?
I do. I do.
So?
Mom, Dillian is a hard nut to crack. I mean, I've done everything humanly possible, but he's not giving in. He even asked me not to come to his room at night.
He said that?
Yes.
I think you should pick your call.
No. It's not important. That can wait. Oh.
Okay. Alright, no problem. I am gonna talk to my son. Hmm?
Okay.
Because I mean, this should not be happening. Alright, no problem.
Okay, Mom. Can I go now?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, Diamond, sorry. 1 second. Could you sit? I just remembered something.
Oh, okay.
I didn't see your parents at the get together. Didn't you extend the invite to them? I gave you invitation cards for them and I didn't see them. What happened?
I did. I invited them.
So what happened?
My dad, he traveled out of the country and my mom has been really busy, caught up with some activities. Yeah.
Well, I can understand that, but you see, when two people are going to get married, the entire family is actually getting married. So it's nice for all the family to begin to, relate and communicate. And the more we communicate, the more we get to know each other. And your parents should know, that we are interested in their daughter. Huh?
Of course they do.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna invite them again. And this time, they're sure gonna come.
Oh, they have to. It's a must.
Yes, no.
It's a must. They must come so we can see them, all right?
Yes, they will.
All right, that's all.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
The lion! Oh! No. You are not a good friend, the lion. No! The lion! The lion? Oh, the lion, you are not a good friend.
Come on, you can't say something like
No. You are no, you're not a good friend. I mean, the lion. How could you have this? And I've not been here all these years. The lion, how could you have all of this? And I've not been here all these years. No, the lion, you're not a good friend.
Come on, Oscar, you've never said you wanted to be to Africa until now.
The lion, what are you waiting for? Bundle me.
Oh, really?
Repackage me.
Okay.
Bring me down here, the lion.
Okay, now,
without this.
I'll do exactly that next time.
The lion.
Yeah.
There will be no next time. With this is my new Alabama.
Okay.
Dillian.
Yes.
This is beautiful. But you know what, Dillian? I am not going back. What am I going to Alabama to do? This is my new Alabama. I have come to stay.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. I know you like to have a seat.
Juice in public. What a good Alabama. Juice in public.
Just have a seat, but let me have my drink back. Come on. Give my drink.
Dillian. Do you have to take the glass now? Dillian.
This is really nice.
Dillian.
This is right. This is really nice. Olivia? Olivia?
Sir.
You know you don't really have to wait here, right?
Sure. Enjoy
Yeah.
your juice, sir.
Look at this. Look at all of this.
Hey, let's
Lillian!
get chill. Okay, see. There's something I really want to share with you. You know, every time I wake up to a gift in my room. It's either inside my room or by my door. I don't know who's been sending me gifts. I've asked my sister, she says she's not the one.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
You wake up in your room, gift in your room, gift at your doorstep.
I kid you not, bro.
You do not know who the person is?
At all.
You don't have to worry. That is why we have Oscar from Alabama here. I will be your CIA. Give me time. Very little time.
But Oscar, see, on a most serious note, I can't really wait to find out who the person is.
I am telling you the same thing. Relax. Sit. Fold your hands. Oscar from Alabama. We do the findings for you.
Okay.
Little time.
I trust you.
Little time. Aha, that reminds me. Let us go to the poolside. Let me see how long you can stay under the water.
Is that a challenge?
Call it whatever you want. Challenge? Whatever. Let us go to the poolside. Let me see how long you can stay under the water.
Oscar, remember I still have my oxygen intact. While you've exhausted yours on booties.
Booties of Alabama do not take strength. You do not know that? Booties from Alabama do not consume strength. They give strength.
Are you kidding me?
Booties from Alabama, they give strength. Let me show you the strength I am talking about. Poolside underwater.
Hey, guy, I wouldn't be the one to send you to your grave.
Aha! Someone is backing out.
Are you kidding?
Someone is backing out.
I'm backing out?
Poolside.
Okay, challenge then.
Okay, that's it. Leon! Oh. You know, in Alabama, we clap.
So many fall in love, but with the wrong one. While some have given up and say love is wicked. Different experiences, diverse testimonies, but the truth remains that love is beautiful. Even when you're faking it, it won't last for so long. True love is so natural, and nothing can correct it. When you try to fake it, how long can you hold them? True love is the ultimate, and that's all I know. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Love is natural. When you find someone who understands, then you fall in love. Then you fall in love. Yeah. Have you seen love is beautiful? Love is beautiful. Have you seen love is natural? Love is natural. When you find someone who understands your heart, when you fall in love, you go follow tire. So many fall in love, but with the wrong one. While some have given up and say love is wicked. Different experiences, diverse testimonies, but the truth remains that love is beautiful. Even when you're faking it, it won't last for so long. True love is so natural, and nothing can correct it. When you try to fake it, how long can you hold them? True love is the ultimate, and that's all I know. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Love is natural. When you find someone who understands, you fall in love. Then you fall in love.
What is it? What did she say to you?
She asked how things are going between Dillion and I. And I told her, but that is not the case.
What is it?
She asked me about my parents. And she ended up saying we should arrange a meeting between both families.
She did?
Why are you sounding surprised? I mean, are you not supposed to be the master planner? Are you not supposed to put this into consideration?
Listen, I already did, okay? Don't worry, I'll fix it.
You fix it? What would you do about the fact that this woman already knows who my supposed father is?
I said do not worry, okay?
Okay. One more thing.
What?
I think I mistakenly dialed Chelsea's number.
You did what? Are you out of your mind? So in spite of my warning and even smashing your phone, you went ahead to call that boy. Are you okay?
I just told you I mistakenly dialed his number. I wanted to call someone else and then I ended up dialing his number. It wasn't intentional.
I see. Now that expensive mistake will never happen again. Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
But it was a mistake.
Rubbish.
You know, there's something I've learned over time in Vegas, and that is never to do business with family members. You can set them up, but do not entrust them with your business, else they will ruin it. Yes, come in.
Oh. You said
Yes, sir. What is this I hear that you're giving Diamond attitude? Don't you want to get married again?
Of course I want to get married.
Need I remind you that you have limited time to make that happen?
Okay, why is everyone concentrating on me? It's not as if Laura here is even married.
Do you want to relinquish your rightful position to Laura? Should I start to pressure her to get a man? What is even wrong with you, Dillian? What's wrong with you? I mean, Diamond is a pretty lady and I believe that she will make a good wife. Why don't you just give her a chance? I mean, if on the other hand she doesn't meet up with our expectations, then we can look elsewhere.
I'll think about it.
There's no time to think. You make it happen.
Okay, I'll try.
The word I will try or the sentence I will try is not in the Nnamani's vocabulary.
I said I'll try.
I will.
Okay, I will.
I will. Good.
Anything else?
Nah.
Love you, Mom.
Love you too.
I have to run along. Okay, let me just run along. Yeah.
Yeah. Laura, why are you not thinking about a man? Yes.
Aha! So, it is you. You have been the one stalking my friend.
No, sir. It's not what you think.
Don't tell him, please. I can do anything you want me to do. Please, don't tell him. Please, don't tell him.
Anything?
Yes, sir. Anything you want me to do for your respect, I will do it.
You remember what I told you, right? Make sure you do what is right, okay? Yes, come in. Hey. Hi. Yes, sure, please come in, please. Come in. Welcome, sir.
No, Stella.
Yes, can I get you something to drink?
No. I'm fine, thanks.
Okay.
Diamond,
Hi.
I know you and I started on the wrong foot.
Oh, please, come on. It's not your fault. I totally understand, okay? So.
Okay.
Okay.
Dina, it's in a restaurant of your choice.
A dinner. Are you asking me out on a date?
Yeah, sure.
Of course. Yeah, sure, yes.
All right.
Okay.
So I guess I'll see you soon.
Oh yeah. Yes. See you soon. Oh my goodness! Did you just hear that? This is beautiful. Did you see what I just heard? Yes, he practically asked me out on a date. Sit down. Oh my god, I don't want to sit down. This is amazing. So beautiful. Yes. Wow. Oh my goodness. I told you. Yes, I told you. Yes, I'm happy for you. Come ready. Oh, I am so happy.
Asked her out on a dinner date. Why? What for?
What sort of question is that? How am I supposed to know why and what the dinner date is for?
But that cannot happen now.
My dear, it is happening already. We have lost out.
Speak for yourself, Jane. Because Chelsea is still very much in the race.
But if anyone should have a shot at Dillion, it shouldn't be that stupid girl.
Her father is Chief Magnus Diribe. She can't be stupid to have a father that is that rich.
Has anyone seen any of her family members around?
Why do you care?
What if she's not what she claims to be?
Oh, please.
Dora, I don't know what you're insinuating, but all I know is that she has taken the man we all have been fighting to have.
No, not at all. Like I said before, I am still very much in the race. Alright? I'm done here.
What are you going to do?
Watch me. Chelsea.
Am I coming back? Come back, Oscar. Come back. Come back. Where did you take me to? Where on earth did you...
You like it?
If I like it. Oh, good. I love it.
Oh my god, that means I passed the test.
Of course, 101% you passed the test.
Oh my god.
Dillion would hastily make you his wife. Yes.
What did you say?
Dillion would hastily make you his wife. You know why? My friend Dillion, he likes women that are good, that can ding ding, that can dong dong.
That means I will soon be Mrs. Dillion.
Oh yes! Mrs. Dillion.
Say that again.
Ah, Mrs. Dillion.
Again?
Mrs. Dillion.
Thank you very much, Oscar.
No. That is where you get it wrong. You don't call me Oscar. You call me Oscar from Alabama.
Oscar from Alabama.
No, you're still getting it wrong. With all the energy you just gave me. That is what you used to pronounce it. Oscar from Alabama.
Oscar from Alabama.
You're still getting it wrong. Are you sure you want to be Mrs. Delia? I will change my mind. I will change my mind.
Okay, I'll get it right. I'll get it. Say it again.
Oscar from Alabama.
Oscar from Alabama.
Good. Very good.
Thank you, Mrs. Dillian.
Mrs. Dillian. Where is Alabama from?
USA.
Fucking essay! You fucking essay!
I got it.
You got it? You passed it!
Mrs. Dillian.
Mrs. Dillian?
Mrs. Dillian. What is it?
You should come. Oh, call me Oscar.
Oscar.
From Alabama?
From Alabama.
Oscar.
Oscar.
See Oscar, come.
Oscar, come.
Being a man, baby, try and be yourself. No games at all. If you fake it, you break it. They forming what I'm calling busybody. Yeah.
What?
Nothing.
I insist.
Well, I'm just happy, seated here with you in one of the biggest restaurants in the city. Yeah, just happy.
Am I such of an asshole?
An asshole?
Yeah.
No, really. No, you're not.
So tell me all there is to know about you.
Well, I've told you everything. There's really nothing much to know about me. There is nothing you don't know.
So, why do you love me?
Love. Who's talking about love here?
I thought you, except it's a farce.
Of course I love you. I mean, who wouldn't love you? Look at you. You're cute. You're tall. You're dark. You have everything it takes to attract a sensible woman to yourself. So, I think I'm pressed.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you're pressed.
I need to use the restroom.
Oh, yeah, sure. I think down left. The restroom left. Hey, what's up? No, nothing much. I'm currently in Nigeria actually. Just a few. Yes, exactly. I'll be back. I don't know. I can't really say for now, but probably when I'm back in the UK, I'll give you a call. Okay. Okay. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay, you know what? Can I call you back? Yeah, I'll call you back shortly. You done?
Yes. My phone just came up right now.
Okay, which means?
We have to head home. Yes.
We just got here. I thought that's all you wanted.
Of course. I love it. You see this whole setup?
Yeah.
I love it. But I'm not padded.
Oh.
Yeah, we don't want such embarrassment, right?
Yes, sorry, you have to leave. Okay, what about the
bill? Just
okay, I'll just figure it out. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No problem. It's fine. You need me to cover up you or something? Is it flowing already?
Yeah, it's flowing already.
Okay.
It's for Delia. Yeah. This girl's not busybody. Said action doesn't work no more. That fashion is old because men are now wiser. If you want to win a man, baby, try and be yourself. No games at all. If you fake it, you break it. They forming what I'm calling busybody. Yeah.
You're back already.
Yeah.
How did it go?
Not so good.
What happened?
I keep seeing him everywhere.
Who?
Charles, of course. I don't know if this guy has a human tracking device that monitors me everywhere I go. Like, I don't even know his problem.
Did he see you?
Not really. But sincerely, I am not going to lie to you. I am tired. I am tired of this whole thing. I am tired. I am tired.
You can't be tired. We still have a long way to go. You have to deliver Dillion to us. I mean, we need to take over this empire. I mean, look at the life, look at the money and everything. Don't you want to keep enjoying this life? Huh?
I want to.
Good.
But I just want you to see reasons with me.
If it's for Chas, don't worry. I'll handle it.
Hey, Dilly.
Yeah.
Are you done eating out with your girlfriend?
Yes.
So soon? Or you did that just to make me feel good, right?
Come on, no. Not really. Actually, she asked that I would leave the restaurant.
Why?
Because our August visitor came called.
Ouch. So sorry about that.
Hey, come on. It's fine. I can see you're busy with one of your favorite things, which is sketching.
I have been going around collecting beautiful images in the estate. They will translate to cash when next I attend the New York exhibition.
That's a real you business, Laura.
You know I love money.
Actually, you do. Not like you say, oh brother, please can you give me some pounds? Can you give me some pounds? I'm giving you any pounds, make your cash now.
Really?
Yes, really.
I'm still the baby girl of the house, so she's beautiful.
Where did you get this from?
The estate.
Which estate?
Here in Namani's estate. She's a gardener, I think. And why are you asking?
She's beautiful.
Yeah, she is. She is.
Where can I see her?
I don't know. You like her already?
No. No, I mean
you do.
No. Listen.
You
No.
do.
Listen. She She's cool. I mean, the sketch is cool, you know. Anyway, never mind. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you mind if I ask you for something?
Yeah, go on, sure.
Can I keep it? Please?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
You can. Anything for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh.
I'll see you later.
All right.
Yeah.
You smell heat with alomo bitter. What can you come here? Eh? Does this place look like a bar to you? Yeah, this is the prestigious Naman Estate.
Do you know you're embarrassing me?
Me? Embarrassing you? You first embarrass yourself by coming a place where you have no business with. Huh?
I'm looking for diamond. It's funny.
You have a girlfriend that lives in this estate.
Paulinus.
Yes, ma'am.
What's going on here? Who is he looking for?
I don't know.
And you couldn't ask him? I don't know. Who is he looking for?
I'm looking for diamond.
Hey!
Diamond?
Yes, diamond. I'm looking for her.
You have a visitor.
A visitor?
A visitor.
I mean, who could that be?
I don't know. You should come see for yourself.
Visitor. Okay, you can go. I've heard you.
You should come see for yourself.
Oh, please, leave my sight. I've heard you.
But you should come now. It seems you both have a lot of catching up to do, so I'll leave you to it.
So this is where you're hiding?
Charles, what are you doing here and how did you get to find me?
I told you you can never hide from me. I told you. What are you doing here?
Rubbish. What I'm doing here is none of your business. What are you doing here? Listen, you have to go. You have to go right now.
Me?
Yes.
Go. After the distance to this place, I don't know what you're talking. I'm hungry. Get me food.
Charles, please. I beg you in the name of God, in the name of anything, please. Just go, please. You can't come here now. What are you doing here? You can't.
I just arrived. Why the rush? Why are you rushing me?
No, you have to go. You have to go.
Why are you rushing me?
What is wrong with Baby.
I've been looking for you.
I've been looking for you too.
And who's it?
Hey, you know what? I actually wanted to come to your room to tell you that my brother came visiting.
Oh, your brother?
Yes.
Yeah, I can even see the resemblance.
You can see the resemblance. Look at the skin colors.
You're welcome.
We look alike.
Thank you, partner.
No, Dillian.
Okay, Dillian. I'm Charles.
Oh, Charles. Nice to meet you, Charles.
Same
here. Yeah, you're welcome. Have you shown him around the estate?
No, baby, come on. That would be necessary. You know, he just came to pass a message, and right now, he's about leaving.
No. I would love to see what the legendary Namadi estate looks like. I've heard so much about it.
Oh, you're welcome. It's a pleasure, actually. And Diamond.
Yes, baby.
Why not show him around the estate? Yes, and of course you're always welcome there, okay? Just settle in, I'm sure she's going to entertain you very well. There are lots to drink and eat.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, and please, when you're done with that, I'd like to see you. There's something I want to show you.
Oh, okay, the love of my life.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. You're welcome. Settle in, please. And Diamond, okay, when you're done, sorry.
My brother.
Can I have more?
You have to go.
Mr.
Let me go again.
So, this is your room.
My room?
Yes. Oh, don't you like it?
Of course I do. I love it already. I mean, it's chilling. Yeah.
Okay. Do you want anything?
Food. Yeah, food.
Okay, I'll make that available.
I like that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so relax while I run this special errand for you. And it is my pleasure to inform you that this is a special season in this estate.
Okay.
And I promise you will enjoy your stay here.
I like the sound already. I will enjoy my stay. It's nice.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Feel free.
No, of course. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
How could you? How could you let him come here when you know our plans? How?
Sister, what are you talking about? I'm equally very much surprised. I don't know how he got to find me.
Now tell me the truth. Did you give him the address to this place?
How? Have you forgotten you seized my phone? How am I supposed to have achieved that? I was even surprised when they called me to tell me that he came looking for me. I did not send him any address, so...
That boy is a demon. He has come to scatter my plans, but I won't let him. Never!
So what do you suggest we do? What do we do? Because I know Charles. Charles will start gallivanting and showing himself around. And we don't want that. He needs to be stopped.
Where is he now?
He's in one of the visitors' room.
Now listen. I don't want to see you anywhere close to him. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
Okay, okay.
Now take me to him this minute.
Yes, I'm here. And as you can see, I'm having the fun of my life.
I see that. Anyways, enjoy yourself. Because this would be the last meal you would have in this estate.
Why?
Because you would be on your way out after eating.
I know you never liked me ever since I started dating your sister. Yes. But you see this place I am? This is the best thing that has happened to me since I was born. You can see the kind of food I'm eating. And you want me to leave so soon? No now, madam. No now.
Just you would leave. And that is not debatable or negotiable. Is that clear?
Why are you so desperate about me leaving? Is that something you're hiding?
Hiding? Just what is your problem? I mean, does this place look like your father's? Don't you want to go back to your father's house again?
Does this place look like your father's house too? Does it? Is
What
this
do
your
you
father's
want?
house?
What do you want?
What I want?
Yes, like money. How much do you want?
You really want to pay me off?
Damn it, mister. Answer me. How much do you want?
Okay. Since you want me to leave so urgent, I hope you're ready to part with 20 million.
20 million what?
Charles, you always asked for little.
Did you just say that is little? Who on earth carries such money around? Who?
Find it.
Find what? Find 20 million? Charles, maybe you're not getting it. Are you in any way thinking that we've hijacked this dynasty? I mean, where do you want us to get 20 million naira from? Okay, fine. Me and you, as man no man, based on 1 or 2, how much will you don't give me? For your life, entire miserable life, how much will you don't give me? Have you seen 20 million naira before?
Enough. You would get the money.
Which one?
want to get such money? How do you want to get it?
That's nice. You have 1 week. Just 1 week to make that happen.
Hey, you must be okay, right?
Yes, sir. I'm okay.
The chief security.
Yes, sir.
Here. You can have it. Do you know her?
Yes, sir. I know her.
What's her name?
Her name is Chizitelo.
Say that again.
Chizitelo.
Chizitelo. Oh, that's an interesting name. Can I have it back? Yeah. So, she works here?
No, sir. She's not an employee here, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir. She only comes here whenever she's in need of money. And when I need extra hands.
Oh, okay. Okay. When was the last time she came here?
It's been long, sir.
So, any contact address or something?
I have no idea, sir. Sir, hope she hasn't done anything wrong, sir.
No, not at all. Far from it. Don't worry. Thanks for your time, okay? I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Go back to your post. Yeah, thank you.
So many fall in love, but with the wrong one. While some have given up and say love is wicked. Different experiences, diverse testimonies. But the truth remains that love is beautiful.
I've served him food already.
And why are you smiling like he came to see you?
You know, I've never liked that diamond of a girl. Sometimes I feel she's not real.
And how do you mean?
There is something fishy going on. Although I'm yet to place my hands around it. But I believe with the arrival of this her so-called brother, the truth is not far-fetched.
So you're trying to say he's not Diamond's brother? Be careful of what you say around here, Odora, before you lose your job over something that is none of your business.
Dillion is my business. Yes. And so long as this whole thing is connected to me, it is my business. Again.
Girl,
wow.
Continue making it your business.
Yes, I will.
Don't mind your business.
I will mind my business.
Oh, my lady, the car is ready. Shall we?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's so sweet of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, son?
Dad.
You're here already?
Yes. I can see you're having fun.
Oh, yes. This is the only same thing I do since after retirement.
I know, right? It's a beautiful sport, actually. And if you work hard enough, you can become a legend like Tiger Woods, you know? Don't get me wrong, Dad, of course you're a legend. But I mean, in the sport, you can become a #1 like Scheffler, currently.
Yes, like I want to go to the Olympics. Yes, now, talking about hard work.
Yes, Dad.
How far have you gone with finding yourself a bride?
Dad, it's been hectic.
Hectic? With all these girls littered everywhere.
You know, that's the problem. Too many of them.
What about Diamond?
She's there. Dad, the thing about Diamond is that I'm finding it so difficult in accepting her.
Come on, son. You don't have to let indecision come between you and what you ought to do. I called you to let you know that if you don't hurry, the board of trustees may be forced to vote in someone else. And I'm not sure you will like that. Whatever you want to do, please, hurry up about it.
Okay, Dad.
Come on.
So, can I join you?
Oh, why not?
Why are you staring at me like that now? Eh? What is it?
Why haven't you come to my room, Chica?
That is what I will not take from you. My name is not Chika. My name is Diamond. Black Diamond. What is Chika? And by the way, what's happening in your room? I mean, what's up with your room? Are you sharing money? Huh?
So because Dillion promised you marriage, that is why you have refused to have me anymore.
Such is life.
Such is life. Such is life. I hope you are aware Dillion invited me over for a drink at the poolside. You know what that means, right? The two men will have a lot to discuss.
You would do no such thing. Anyway, just...
What?
When do you want me to come?
This night.
Yeah, no one.
Good.
I will show.
That's my Chica.
Because don't you come, Chica again. Idiot.
Sorry to disturb you, man.
Yeah, it's okay, it's nothing.
Yeah, I don't know, have you seen your sister? I've been looking for her everywhere. No trace of her.
No, I've not. Have you tried calling her on the phone?
Yes, I did, and her phone is in the room. And, okay, anyway, sorry for the disturbance.
No, it's okay, it's fine.
Yeah, and I hope they're treating you well here.
Yeah, I'm fine, I'm comfortable. I enjoy the place.
Oh,
fantastic. It reminds me of my home.
Oh, yeah.
You know, I have this kind of luxury in my house.
I see. Oh, you're the brother now, yeah. So,
Yeah,
of course,
the older brother.
Oh, the older brother.
Yeah,
of course, you guys are used to the luxury then.
I'm telling you, yeah. I mean, it's common with us.
No problem. I will leave you to rest. Probably we'll catch up later. Tomorrow or maybe some other time when you find time, yeah.
That won't be bad.
Oh, okay. Good night.
Okay, good night.
If you see her, tell her that I'm looking for her.
Huh? It won't be a problem.
Okay. Good night.
Okay, good night.
Yeah.
It's out. Why are you talking too much? What's I? Come, let's finish up.
Finish up your head.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
Yeah, for me. Enjoy my money, man. I'm a big boy. Come here. Come on. Feel me, man. I'ma give you $20, you know? $20. Okay, I'll make it $200. $200, you know? $200, you know? Carry you, they go. Where you want my carry on go now? Come on, I'm a big boy. I've made money. What is money? What is money? Money is nonsense, you know. Vacation in Maldives. Maldives you go. Driver, what's up? You're feeling it, right? You're my man. You my man. You my man. Don't worry, I'ma give you $200, you know. Yeah, you my man. $200, you know. Increase the volume, you know. Increase the volume. And so, I tell you. All my ladies, feel me, you know. I'ma give you $500. Okay, $1,000, you know. I'm a made man, you know. Yeah.
Charlie.
Man.
Charlie,
My boy.
Charlie don't become big boy. I beg tell us, Charlie, I take up.
Akologi agba no so one day.
Charlie, you don't forget how we go there with the press money, night press. Nothing go come out. Sometimes you go collect 30 and make you go buy sugar. Anything you know they tell us. You don't forget saying all of us do this shit. I mean, don't go plus.
Which plus? I get mine to do plus. Which plus?
I beg, I take on happen. I beg tell us. Oh no.
Now miracle happen, my brother. I prayed. I fasted. God answered my prayer. He fast tracked my paycheck. I tell you.
Hey, Oluwa. Oluwa, when you want pick my own call now, Oluwa. I never suffer enough. Hey.
Don't worry, your own tongue will reach.
Oluwa, pick my call now. Oluwa, pick my call. I never suffer enough.
You go pick her. Hey, Bagger. More drink for the guys and more people soup for the women.
Charlie.
Hold on. Wait there.
Charlie, yeah.
Hello? Who is this one?
Hello, Charles.
Hello? Who is this?
Charles, where are you?
Yeah, this is Charlie Boy, Charlie the Don.
Charles, why did you leave with one of the cars?
Okay, do you have my 20 million naira now?
20 million.
What are you even saying? Where are you?
Call me when you have my money ready, yeah? Thank you.
Hello?
I don't like stories anymore. If it's not money, forget it. If it's not money, bullshit it. Nothing. Baby.
Na client, Jesus! Money good. Hey, Charlie, Chineke. Huh?
What be that Charlie what you know?
Hey! Charlie don't blow.
Levels are changing.
Charlie don't blow.
Levels don't
I beg, Charlie, I beg. Make I beg you for one thing. Make me your PA, I beg.
My PA. I don't suffer. He wants to be my PA.
We are here.
He wants to be my PA.
We are here.
Anyway, you know that position is a very sensitive one. Eh? I will think about it.
See, Charlie, me, I no get time for PA. If I want a woman, why you stay home body for night?
They talk woman, they point my girls. Eh?
No get fear.
Bad girl, this guy go pay for a drink, eh? I no pay you on again.
No. Now play they don't play with you. Charlie, why they do like this?
You don't want my woman again?
No, make carry woman. Give me drink.
Don't have to fire you this minute.
I know.
Instead of you to talk of Millie, they talk of woman.
No.
You don't carry woman again.
No, I don't do.
Hear my girl. You
You
what he tell
You know
you?
they use broke man do friends with benefits.
He's here.
No be like that.
Drink up, girl. Hi girl, hurry, eh? My man. Drink. If you want 2 cartons, I will give you today.
Bring drinks, cartons, crates. If you get all of them, bring them. Make boss scatter. Now once person get life, you know this life, you know day 2, my brother. You know day 2. Now
Enjoy now. Why?
as Charlie just cash out like this, we go shut down. Hey, who am I? I want it.
Drink up, eh? It doesn't come by all the time. Drink.
Oscar.
From Alabama? Say it.
From Alabama.
Good. Alabama? What is it you want to say?
I've not heard from you. Dylan has not even looked at me, talk more of bringing me to his room. You told me that he was going to marry me. Up till now, I've not heard anything. Are you even sure you're talking to him about me?
You hurt me. Oscar from Alabama does not say what he does not know. Dillian loves you. He has already told me. I've told you time and time again. Dillian is for you and no one else. Do you understand?
How come I'm seeing him with Diamond all the time? I overheard Diamond telling our chief of staff that Dylan has fallen for her.
Dylan has fallen for who?
Diamond.
For Diamond? Oh! For Diamond?
Yes.
What is Diamond? Who is Diamond? Compared to you? Don't even say that again. Listen. Dillian was meant, was created, was built for you. Know that. Listen, my friend is a very tactical person. Forget his innocent look, his calm look, his handsome look. Very tactical, very smart. He's looking at you. Diamond is nothing but a temporary sight. You, Mrs. Dillian, you are permanent sight. What did I just say?
Permanent sight.
You're not saying it without the boldness. You're not saying it like you mean it. Say it like you want Dillian.
Permanent sight.
Good. Very good. So you see, do not look at my friend like that. He's a very tactical man. He is my childhood friend, my bosom friend, my very good friend. Very smart. Do not capitalize on his look. Very calm, very quiet, very handsome. Forget his look. He is observing you from a distance, watching you from a distance, loving you from a distance, and he will walk from that distance to you. And he will reach out to your hands like this. And he would gladly kiss your hand. Just like that.
Are you sure?
Very sure. Very, very sure.
Just do your own part. I've done mine.
Mrs. Dillian, do not doubt Oscar from Alabama. Oscar.
girls not busybody. Said action doesn't work no more. That fashion is old because men.
What is it? What is it? Why are you disturbing my phone? Do you want to spoil the phone?
You and I have an unfinished business.
What business are you talking about? Listen, I owe you nothing. Stella has promised to send you some money. So what is it again?
That promise is as empty as my pocket right now. Until I see the Benjamin, that promise is owed you. Yes.
Charles, what do you want?
Simple. I mean, while I wait to receive my money tomorrow, I want you to give me a parting sex tonight.
You must be out of your mind. Are you okay? Charles, did I not tell you that we are done? I told you we are done.
No. We ain't done until I receive my money. And if I don't see my money tomorrow, or you coming to warm my bed tonight, I'm afraid your fiancé will hear everything.
To win a man, baby, try and be yourself. No games at all. If you fake it, you break it.
Charles.
What?
Charles, why are you doing this to me now?
What am I
Why
doing
are you
to
doing
you?
this to me now?
I've been protecting you like a loving boyfriend. I haven't blown your cover. Yes, of course. I've not told anybody who you really are.
Charles, why are you doing this to me?
I
Why are
am
you
not-
doing this to me?
I'm not doing it.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you frustrating me? Why are you
I
doing
am not frustrating you. I mean, balance it. I'm fair enough. Come on.
All this drama every day is funny. Yeah.
That's small.
The drama is bodily and bodily.
Yes, sir.
Action.
Marry any of us may have come to an end with the arrival of that girl.
Impossible! That can never happen. Not in this.
Can you imagine that small girl asking me to pick up the towel that she used in wiping her smelly mouth? Just imagine.
She did it on purpose. Of course, to have a chance with my Dillion. Not in this life. Not even in the next.
If you ask me, there is trouble.
How do you mean?
Our individual plan to get Dillion, marry any of us, may have come to an end with the arrival of that girl.
Impossible. I will not allow that meet with her.
Charles. Why don't you come have a this time of the night? Seriously.
That's how you get this done. But if you just come back and settle it or to tell Daniel and his family, you truly stupid.
Like you called her. There's no match to me. Come on, take a good look at me now. Hey, just look at me. Full option. Eh? I can cook, I can sweep, I can clean, I have sense, I have Nkiruka, and Azu to me. Come on, girls, take a good look at me now. Eh? Look at me. Eh? Full option. I can cook, I can sweep, I can clean, I have sense, I have Nkiruka, and I have Azuka to back it up. So,
Does that not make me a complete...
Okay. Don't lose it. Mommy, auntie, mama, mom, please, you know me now. Am I not Diamond?
Preserve of the rich, mighty, classy, and influential.
Okay. Hey, sister. I don't know. I will say the truth. Hey, look at me. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Fred, Abby?
Do I know you?
Every woman.
Every woman, yeah.
One, two.
Fred? You both are sisters?
Yes, sister, is it not your idea? Is it not your idea? Ma, it's the idea. It's the idea.
You plus sisters.
It's true you want to help our family because Mama and Papa have died.
No, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. I wanted to be part of this family so strongly that I had to bring my sister whose beauty she was wasting with that guy out there. Please forgive me, I'm sorry.
So,
Move. Be mindful of the other lady before she runs away. Please. Stop the slow motion. Take this guy out of here. This way. I mean this way. What's the problem? Do you want me to injure you? Oh yeah. Please enter. Fine.
This world is full of surprises. Who could believe that Diamond is a poor riffraff from one slum?
You see, I have always known that girl has something up her sleeves. She was just a wolf in a sheep's clothing. Thank God Nemesis has caught up with her.
Oh, my poor Dillion. My Dillion baby. See what a stupid girl has done to your emotions. I wish you never crossed your path. I wish you could just look very much deeper to see a heart that yearns for you, that craves for you.
What is wrong with this one?
Madness. Madness! She's going mad.
Chelsea,
What is it?
Dillion asked me to call you.
Really? He asked you to call me? He sent you to call me. I mean, he sent him to call me.
Hi, Fred.
Hi.
Yeah, poor boy. Imagine getting dumped by someone that you see every day just because of one man like that. Someone you don't even show off.
Hey!
Oh, Chelsea will not kill you.
Very painful. It's very painful.
If you want to win a man, baby, try and be yourself. No games at all. If you fake it, you break it. They forming what I'm calling busybody. Yeah, this is very funny.
Send for me, sir.
Yeah.
What would you like me to do for you?
I've been thinking lately.
About what, sir?
I've discovered you're the most competent and smart one in this estate.
Thank you so much, sir. I mean, it's been years of ceaseless hard work.
Oh, good. So to add to your task in this estate, I would like for you to be my personal assistant. That's if you wouldn't mind, and I hope I wouldn't be encroaching on your duties in this estate.
Not at all, sir. It is perfectly okay. As a matter of fact, this is the best news I have ever heard, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, and as for your pay, don't worry, there'll be increment in your salary, okay? Yeah. So what you'll be doing for me is just basic things like you follow me to shopping, and yeah, sometimes you can even do it yourself without me being there on my behalf. Just little basic things. And what are they? Yes. Also, I'll be needing your advice on certain things in this estate, my way around, okay?
You have no problem, sir. Trust me. Anything, anyhow, anywhere, whenever you want it, I will be right there for you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, great. Okay, starting with this minute, probably just help me get a glass of drink.
Okay, sir.
So many fall in love, but with the wrong one. While some have given up and say love is weak. Different experiences, diverse testimonies, but the truth remains that love is beautiful. Even when you're faking it, it won't last for so long. True love is so natural, and nothing can.
Look at your faces. Girls, I told you, but you wouldn't listen. Now it has happened, it has come to pass.
And why are you celebrating like he's proposed to you already? Ooh. He only made you his personal assistant, nothing more. So stop that rubbish.
What is that I perceive? Can you perceive it?
Truth.
Envy, my darling. You ooze of jealousy. All right? Listen up, darling. Listen up. Now, I have my Delion exactly where I want him to be, which is by my side. It hurts, right? And no, darling. I know that look, my darling, but you know what? You are not my problem because I have some preparations to do. I need to get new shoes, new colognes, and most importantly, study hard because it's not.
How about Einstein? Get encyclopedia. I mean, get out.
Oh my God, baby girl, take it easy. You know, it's not easy taking care of a man like you, so I need to study hard. You understand, right? Huh? You know what? You girls get well soon. Woo! Did you see that? So Chelsea has finally gotten him to herself, huh?
Chelsea is only bluffing. I mean, there is no way on earth that Delion is going to marry Chelsea as his wife or concubine. That's not possible.
But you heard her. She was given another appointment.
And so what? And so?
It means that if Delion never intended them to marry, by the reason of their closeness, things will naturally begins to happen.
Nonsense. Arrant nonsense. I mean, Delion is a businessman. And you won't tell me that this is the first time he's going to be having a female as his assistant. Like... You know what? As far as I'm concerned, I am very much in this game. No leave, no transfer. Chelsea is bluffing.
Yeah. Chelsea
Jane, be careful now.
Will you stop screaming? Did I ask you to go jogging?
You will take it easy now. It's very painful. Ah!
But come on, what were you thinking when going on a suicide mission with Dillion?
Yeah, I noticed you love exercise every morning now. Be careful now.
And you decided to lie that you exercise every day. Really, Dora? Really?
Yeah, because I wanted him to notice me now. Besides, I've heard and seen couples that met at the gym and got married.
You bought into such narratives. And look at what you're going through. My friend, put your leg on.
Be careful now.
Don't let me slap you.
Hey boy, it's that side that is paining me. Just press it small.
Nobody's saying the one way you do so. Nonsense.
Do what they ask you to do.
You are even telling me to shut up. Nobody's saying the way you go. Now you put yourself for this one.
It's okay.
I will leave this thing now.
You're not doing it now. You're being wicked. It's okay now.
What could they not say now?
Don't do.
What? What did it happen? Where is my daughter? My goodness. Okay. All right. I'm going to send another car immediately to come pick her up. All right? Okay. Goodness. James, listen. You have to go to Osalenga's Drive right now and go and pick up my daughter. All right? Good.
Mom, what's with Laura?
Your sister was hit by a reckless driver.
What? Is she okay?
She's not hurt, but the escort with her, got hurt, but is receiving a treatment at a nearby clinic.
Okay, but what could have possibly happened?
Reckless driver. Goodness.
Okay, at least it's a relief she wasn't hurt.
My goodness.
Anyway, I have to run along for my business.
Where are you going to?
I have an appointment with someone.
Girl.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah, sure. Because since the thing with Diamond did not work out, so surely you should be on the lookout for a better replacement.
Well, you can say that again. Yep, see you later, Mom. Before you start listening to my business.
But what you're wearing, is it good enough? Are you sure you look good? Okay.
Yeah.
Bye, Mom.
Bye-bye.
Sir, are you okay? I mean, you went in happy and expectant, coming out looking like this.
Okay, now what's wrong with every woman around here? I mean, how many boyfriends? No, how many boyfriends does an average Nigerian woman have?
I don't understand, sir.
Okay, I was in there having lunch with this lady and all of a sudden one lousy guy from nowhere just came out, dragged her out and started pummeling her. And is that supposed to be funny?
I'm so sorry, sir. I mean...
You better be.
You shouldn't be surprised, sir. This is Nigeria. Lots of shit happen around here.
This is Nigeria, really? Which means I should have picked up a girl from the UK.
Oh, no.
Is that what you're trying to say?
No, sir.
Then what?
That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that there are lots of women down here in Nigeria. I can tell you with all sincerity that we have lots of good women here. Maybe you just haven't looked deep enough.
How do you mean?
I mean, you should stop looking up and start looking down. You will realize that there is someone who is more than willing to be your wife.
Really? Look, Chelsea, I'm exhausted, I'm tired. I can't continue dealing with this. Stop. Can you stop? Stop this car right now, reverse.
Madam, send.
Don't be waiting for you. Calm down. You don't say fire.
And your beauty made me the call. You're not doing anything, no.
Calm down. Don't worry, I'll catch you.
Hello.
Oga, what you want? I get body. I get fish. I get this. Oga, what you want?
My name is Dillian. I've been looking for you.
Sir, please, let's go. This place is not... I know they tell strangers my name, Oga, abeg. And if you no wan buy, come dey go. You dey block my customers with that gun wey dey there. Abeg. Even if you come around tomorrow, if you know they buy, no come here. Here na strictly business. Sir?
How do you feel now?
I feel much better.
That's a good thing. I'm sorry for this.
Sorry for what?
The accident.
Come on, Mom. It's an accidental hazard, right? So it's not your fault, so you don't have to be sorry.
And it's the first time you're facing such an occupational hazard. And it's all happened because of me. I am sorry.
I understand. It's not your fault, like I said. Okay? So you don't have to be sorry, Mom.
Laura.
Yes, Laura.
It's okay. Don't worry. You'll be fine, okay?
Okay.
Laura.
Oh.
Hey, bro.
How are you? Good, sir. Yeah, good. You don't want to sit. Yeah. Yeah, I heard what happened. And I hope you're not badly injured.
Yeah, I'm doing much better now, sir.
So sorry about that.
If you don't mind, I have something to do inside.
It's fine.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Hey, baby girl, baby sister. Yeah, I hope you're not injured. Hey.
Oh, I'm fine.
You sure?
It's just Fred.
And what about him?
I'm so worried about him.
Worry, be fine. Okay?
I hope so.
You'll be fine. So, guess what?
What?
Guess what?
You know I'm not good at that.
Okay. I ran into your mystery model today.
You did?
Yes, I did.
Bro. I think you're falling for that girl.
Shush it.
You're going to fall for that girl, bro.
I comment my reserve.
Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Everything that love is natural. When you find someone, then you fall in love, then you fall in love. Yeah. Everything love is beautiful. Everything love is natural. When you find someone, understand the heart when you fall in love. You go follow tire. So many fall in love, but with the wrong one. While some have given up and say love is weak. Different experiences, diverse testimonies, but the truth remains that love is beautiful. Even when you're faking it, it won't last for so long.
There's no need to even reach out to her. I don't know what to do about this. Hey, sorry, madam. Madam, sorry, excuse me. Sorry, can I have a word with you? The lady who sells plantain and beans here.
Oh, but a woman.
Yes, please.
What happened?
I'm looking for her. I don't know. She was here yesterday, but I think she didn't open today.
Today she not come out.
Why do you know?
I don't know. I resemble her mother. I don't know.
Okay. Do you? Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Why did they even look for herself?
Don't worry. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Please, one more, please. So sorry. Do you know where she lives?
I don't know. I say why they look for her? No one talk. I don't know.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
You two ask question.
I don't know why Nigerians are too aggressive. Just simple question and polite approach would do. But fine. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I was wondering, what is it my friend has with this person that has no class? I mean, it is obvious she is not in your class. She's not in your league. She's got nothing to do with you. What is it you have with this person?
See, the truth is that aside the fact that she's sweet under the sheet.
Aha! Sweet under the sheet.
What's wrong with you, Oscar?
Very important.
Aside the fact that she's sweet under the sheet, she's an amazing cook. Like she kept me away from missing home for a very long time. Yes, because she made amazing meals.
Under the shit.
Under the shit.
That is the most important thing you have said.
I know, right?
Under the shit. Whatever we do in life, brother, let us not forget one sweet part. One very important part. Under the shit.
That's from you.
Okay, yeah. Trust me, aside the fact that she's
so sweet under that shade.
I like to hear that word.
Nah, trust me, she no, I'll take your ring.
The sound of that lifts my spirit. Anything.
She's a fantastic cook. Trust me. She's a fantastic. She made an amazing meal that made me forget about home.
Wait a minute. Let it not be what I am thinking.
Which is?
She made your favorite African salad.
You know the drill.
Two things you love so much.
Which are?
Under the shit. African salad.
If you know, you know.
What are we chasing to?
I don't know what. Hey, come on. We come on. We have to. Oh, let's not before we drink.
Alright. So what are we chasing to?
So to don't say rubbish.
Better honest.
I'll pour you the drink.
Under the shit. It has to be. No, I know my friend very well. Two things he doesn't play with. Under the shit. African salad.
So you tell me, what have you been up to in this estate? So what you'll tell me, what's been happening here? Because I know you've never been to anything good in your life.
Freddy! Fred, no, you're not going to get You're not serious. Thank you. Are you sure? So tell me, how much do you love me? Really? Are you sure? Naman is going to kill you.
I
don't mind dying for you.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
Need some water.
Hmm?
Need some water.
Need some water, right? You're the one that needs some water.
Yeah. I'm coming again for you.
Coming
I'm
where?
coming.
And what's the meaning of that?
Cut the pretense, Fred. I see how you've been frolicking around town with Laura. But listen, let me tell you. If that is your ploy to get me jealous, or probably running back to you, you lie. Because I have channeled my energy into someone more beneficial. All right? So I would advise you to change your script, or better still, change your script writer.
All right, Chelsea, can I take my role?
Run along. Loser. Dear baby, by the time you will be done eating this delicious meal, you will be all mine.
Let's dance in style, let's for a while. Heaven can't wait to end up watching the sky, hoping for the best.
Sir,
Chelsea,
so I made something special for you.
Okay. By something special, you mean food?
Yes, sir.
Just like the one you made when I first returned?
Better than that.
Okay.
After you.
No, right behind you. Ladies first.
Okay.
African salad. African salad.
So, you like it?
Of course, I love it. How do you know this is one of my favorite food?
Anything for you, sir.
Thank you, Chelsea.
You're welcome.
You see why I made you my personal assistant? Thank you, thank you, thank you. African salad.
James, I brought you food.
Food? For me?
Yes, for you. Are you surprised?
I'm surprised, though. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How can you?
me.
Now. I'll kill you.
Chelsea, I will die.
I'll
Chelsea, kill me. Chelsea, I want to die. Kill me.
Ah!
Chelsea,
Baby!
I want to die.
Baby, I'll kill you.
Chelsea, kill me. I want to die. Chelsea, I want to die. Kill me. Chelsea, kill me. I love you. Chelsea,
I'll kill you.
Chelsea, please. Chelsea, I love you.
James is chasing you. How? He's just chasing me everywhere. I don't know. What is it now? Where are you going to? Why are you pushing me everywhere? What happened? I don't know. He's just chasing me everywhere. I didn't do anything.
Okay, so what did you do? James that I know cannot be chasing you up and down like that.
I did not do anything. Don't you get it? I didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything?
Yes.
So why is he chasing you?
I just went to give Mr. Dillon his food. After giving him his food, I came out and James started chasing me.
Are you hearing what you are saying? Does it make sense to you that James will just be chasing
you? I said he's chasing me! Don't you get it?
Okay, he's chasing you.
Chelsea, please, I love you.
Chelsea, I love you. Chelsea, please.
He's saying I love you. Chelsea, what did you do?
Chelsea, please, I love you. Open this door for me, Chelsea.
Chelsea, I love you.
Let me go and check.
No, don't go anywhere. Don't open the door. Don't open the door. Don't open the door. He's chasing me. He's gone mad. He's gone bonkers. He's losing it. He's mad. He's making me to rage. He's losing it. He's making it to rage. He's a psychopath. Shut up! I'm serious, damn it!
Chelsea, please don't do this to me. I love you, Chelsea. Chelsea.
He said he loves you. What did you do, Chelsea? Don't I want more word from you now? Oh, James, come and see me.
I tell you never to bring him to my house?
I'm sorry. He kept on insisting on seeing you. Today he came to the shop and said, I will neither sell nor leave the shop. Just look at me. What power do I have to stop a man like this? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
Let me quickly rush to the shop. My customers are waiting.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you.
What do you want from me? Why do you keep looking for me everywhere and asking people about me?
I can't help it. I can't get you out of my head. You now live rent-free in my head. And the only way to get you out of it is to decapitate me.
Then so be it.
Sorry. Please, just give me some time. There is something I would like to show you. I'm sure you'll love it.
Where did you get this from?
You know, this was the first time you made an indelible imprint in my heart. Afterwards, I vowed to find you.
This is Namani's estate, where I sometimes work as a gardener.
I know.
You took the picture?
No, my sister did.
Who are you and who is your sister?
My name is Dilion Chukwemeka Chikezele Namani.
You're Chief Bartholomew's son? Please leave. Just leave.
Just leave! Get out! Can you just leave? Leave!
Why did you have to do something as irresponsible as to spike my food with black magic? I'm sorry, despite the fact that I brought you close and I trusted you.
I'm sorry, sir.
You're sorry? Okay, what exactly are you sorry for?
Sir, I don't know what came over me, okay? I guess I was just carried away by your presence and quest of having you all to myself. I am sorry. Sir, I promise it will never happen again, please. If you really leave me on my job, I don't have any other thing else to do, sir. Please, I beg you.
Hey. And of course it won't happen again. And this minute I'm relieving you of your job as my personal assistant.
Sir, please
and I am reassigning you to the laundry department. This takes effect immediately.
Better, sir. Better, sir. Thank you. Sir, thank you. God
Thank
bless
you for what exactly?
For not really.
Are you still talking? I'll leave.
Okay, sir. I should.
About the other day.
Are you going to pretend now?
Nothing happened the other day that came as shock to me. I invaded in privacy, and if it were to be a sin or crime, I should be cooling off behind bars.
Welcome to my country. Thanks for the painting. My mom loves it so much. She shows anyone that comes around.
I am glad you like it. I am also glad to see you smile for the first time. Because I've tried to imagine what your smile looks like. It's beautiful.
Do you really want something?
Your heart.
That's expensive.
I know. That's why I want to have it. I want your heartbeat and mine to form a melody that we will listen to forever.
Forever?
Yes.
No.
Why?
Can you stop telling me this? Unless you don't want to see me again.
Okay. I understand. And that my promise to stop. I will allow things just to flow naturally. Come on, make the family. Promise me one thing. Never stop smiling. And how is your mom?
She stepped out.
Okay. And what are you up to for the rest of the day?
I'll be going to shops.
Okay. You mind if I tell her?
Sure.
Okay. And I hope I will be crossing the line. I will respect the boundaries. Okay. You know, there is this statue.
Chelsea?
Baby, do you miss me? Do you like what you see?
you alright, Chelsea?
Yes, I am. Look, I know I've been a bad girlfriend, okay? But I'm sorry. Okay? Look, baby. I'm sorry, okay? I know I've been a bad girlfriend, alright? But I have realized that you are the best thing that has ever happened to me. And I forgive you. I forgive you for everything you've been doing with the boss's daughter. Hmm? Do you forgive me too, Papi? Do you?
Freddie left.
I've been waiting for you. Come on, we're going to be late. The party has started already.
Alright, babes, I will join in a jiffy, okay?
Why you not going? Come back here, Fred.
Garnish it well, oh. I trust your handwork. Yes.
Pepe.
Yes, put on where I like pepper. I like pepper. Yeah. Just say no small.
No, no say country.
Auntie, do am fast now.
Put on well, oh.
Okay, should I come and assist you?
Please assist her. Madam, come down. Let's assist her. I'm next. Just.
Okay, you heard that, alright?
Madam, let him assist. Hurry up now.
But madam, this your man.
Are you afraid I wouldn't serve your customers well?
Madam, please come here. Your man fine. Mix my
Okay,
yeah, say as he fine. Hey, fine man.
Oh, they go now.
I beg, I don't leave
They go. They go.
Set for me.
Wow. I'm next.
After her, you.
Okay,
200 naira. Hey. Hey.
At least you come in.
take it easy, relax.
Hey,
Get
after
your-
her, I'm you.
Get to everyone, okay?
Miss my own, me fine like your face.
Sweet boy.
Now me first.
Okay, you try and die.
After me, oh, now me.
Hi.
Yeah.
Come on, wait now. Shoe? No, I'm son. Put them on. I bet she.
Me.
No, I'm son. Baby, she'll see now. Please, my own.
I have money. I'll pay times 2. Can you please give me?
I bet shift.
I have money.
Calm down.
Please, my own face. Me, after her, you. I just don't
Okay, so this is what is going to happen.
Okay.
You all calm down.
Hey,
To get to every one of you.
Why did you allow such a thing to happen to you? Say they will convince the young to marry. Olivia, you believed him. she has done to you is causing you pregnant. What are you going to do about it?
How could you be so gullible, Olivia? I mean, you don't get sense again.
This is not okay, baby. It's okay. Come on, Jane. Take it easy on her. She hates us now. Men with their cunning and deceptive tendencies. You know what is going to happen, huh? I'm going to go to that Oscar other guy and I will speak to him in a manner that he will never forget in the movie when he gets back to that stupid Alabama.
Why?
You can't take me to Alabama. Oh, I see.
What did you do with it? We have been foolish enough. Our mom don't do. We may be living and working here, but we are not of them. And it's high time we accepted that and take our jobs seriously.
It's okay. It's okay. All we need now is each other.
So many fall in love, but with the wrong one. While some have given up and say love is weak. Different experiences, diverse testimonies, but the truth remains that love is beautiful. Even when you're faking it, it won't last for so long. True love is so natural, and nothing can correct it. When you that's all I know. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Love is natural. When you find someone.
You like it?
Sure. It's okay.
Nothing.
It's really good.
Of course, lots to go. You're beautiful. You're everything and more. You like it? Can we make a toast?
Sure.
I'll let you go first. What are we toasting to?
To us.
To us. To love. To eternity.
To forever.
To forever. I love you. Who would believe a moment like this would come? I remember the first time meeting you, you chased me away.
You were actually very stubborn.
I wasn't stubborn. I was just being a gentleman. But here I am, about to feed that same lady. I would believe I'll feed you today.
You're making me blush.
Of course, that's the goal, to make you blush.
Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Everything love is natural. When you find someone who understands.
Yeah, it's a... No, you don't have to say something like that now, yeah. Okay, you know what, how about I call you back in an hour? I have a serious appointment now. Hey, come on, no, that's not the case. Come on, with your jokes. Okay, Dan, I'm serious. You know you're my love, I love you. Yes. I do. Come on, give me these nasty jokes. Yeah, okay, no problem. I'll see you. I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye. I love you.
Love.
Mom, how long have you been standing there?
Long enough to know that my son is in a relationship and he is hiding it from me. You're cheating on me.
Hey, Mom.
I am your first love.
Come on, Mom.
And how can you be in love and you're not telling me? No, I need to cry now.
No, stop, don't cry. I'm sorry. No, that is impossible.
So who's she?
Okay. Her name is Zitel.
Zitel? Is that Igbo?
Yes, Igbo.
Like cheese Zetelo.
I think that's not like you're correct. Cheese Zitelo. Yes, you're correct. Zitelo.
Oh my goodness. So, is she beautiful? Is she tall? Does she have a wide hip like your mama? I mean, what does she do? Who are her parents? What does she leave? Tell me everything about her. What kind of thing does she like? Come on.
Mom, take some chill pills.
Why?
It's not the time for question and answers.
Who said?
You don't have time, son. Come on.
Okay,
Tell me about her.
Yes, Mom, I know I don't have time. But I'm working on it.
You're working on it?
Yes.
What do you mean you're working on it? But I saw you like all besotted on her. You love her, right? Come on, tell me about her. She's beautiful. What's she like?
No,
I won't be confused.
No.
I'll bring her for dinner.
Mom, stop.
You have to bring her for dinner.
Okay, I'll bring her for dinner.
When?
Okay.
Tomorrow.
You stop.
Tomorrow.
I don't know. I don't know. Let's go.
Dinner.
Yeah, no problem.
Come on, she has to go for dinner.
Oh, you've got jokes actually.
You know, I try to imagine how you're able to maintain this beauty despite the stress you encounter every day. So tell me, what's the secret?
Well, you will have to pay for the information that you seek.
And you know that I can literally do anything. I can afford it.
Really?
Of course. Try me.
An information in exchange for your life.
My life?
Yeah.
There's this man, I don't know, I've seen him before. He's been threatening my life, he's been coming for me, the one wielding a gun by that door. And how did they follow me up to this point? The one there by the door. If you look very well, you'll see him. Not just my life, my heart, my time, my love, all of my attention. What I ask of you, will you treasure that life? If I give it to you, will you protect my heart? And if you will, please, Zito, I want you to be the mother to my unborn children. My second half. My missing rib. Please, will you marry me?
Yes, please marry me.
And that's all I know. Someone who understands, you fall in love, then you fall in love. Yeah. Have you seen love is beautiful? Love is beautiful. Have you seen love is natural? Love is natural. When you find someone who understands your heart, when you fall.
So who are you? What's happening? Okay, no problem. Yeah, we've been waiting. Okay, no problem. I'll be waiting then. Come on, don't keep my parents waiting, please. No, of course, you know I love you. Okay, no problem. Yeah, sure. Okay, love you.
Why didn't you send one of the drivers to go pick them up? Considering the fact that she's coming with her family.
Yeah, I offered to do just that then. She said I shouldn't bother that they're almost here. So, who am I to go against my babe's wishes? I had to respect her decision.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are they the one coming?
What is that? No, that can be. Of course, that's a G-Wagon.
Maybe that's one of Daddy's friends.
Daddy's friend?
Yeah.
No. Of course, Daddy cancelled all his appointments today for this moment.
Really?
Yes.
Dave.
These are my parents.
Yeah, welcome home. Welcome to this way. Yes. Son, who's that?
Welcome, ma.
You must be Dillian.
I am Dillian.
Dillian.
Yes, mom.
The song in my daughter's mouth always. Billion this, billion that.
I think I'm
Oh, they're fine. They've been waiting for you all. My sister Laura Zitel's parents, please.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Dad and mom. Yeah.
Just calm down. I know you have a lot to say.
I'm calm.
Just calm down. I'll tell you.
It's not talking.
No, later.
But this, you. Tell her. Tell. Come here. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
You sure have a lot of explanations to do. Come meet my parents.
Juliet? Emilia! Juliet! This is not possible! Oh my goodness! Emilia! Juliet! No, this is not possible. It is possible! Emilia! Oh my goodness!
You guys know each other? She was the only intelligent friend I had way back in school. And we attended commercial secondary school together.
We were the most intelligent and talented in our class back days.
And you forgot the most beautiful.
Oh God, Emilia, you have not changed yet.
And you haven't changed. Oh my goodness. And is that the man you married and, went off to America?
Yeah, my husband, Chief Levi Okoye.
Oh, nice to meet you, Chief.
And my little princess.
Chief, how are you?
How are you?
Oh, good, sir.
Sit
down. Welcome, thank you. Chief.
Oh,
Yeah, welcome to my house.
Emilia.
You are
Please, sit down.
beautiful. Just the way my son is correct.
Thank you, Mom. And you're blessed and intimidating beauty.
Oh, yes. How are your words? I love flattery. Say that again to me.
You're very beautiful.
And you are beautiful. Please sit down.
Ah, Emilia.
Juliet. Oh my goodness.
Are you Chief Levi of Stars Group of Companies?
Yes, I am, Chief. And it is an honor to finally meet the brain behind Nnamani's dynasty.
Yeah, welcome to my house.
Sorry, please. Everyone, I am lost. Please. What's happening?
Babe, I know you have a lot of questions to ask.
Of course, I do have questions to ask.
I'm so sorry for not coming clean from the word go. How come I didn't tell you about my status? You must be asking, right?
Exactly.
Well, I did that because I've had a lot of men come to me because of what they can get from me. And then again, it's a project for me.
What sort of project?
Okay. I own an NGO called Save the Girl Child. We cater for the girl child all over Africa, especially the less privileged ones. I had to take up some tasks like cleaning, hawking and selling food, and every other sufferings and mundane stuff the girl child has to struggle with in this society. all over Africa. I wanted to feel what they felt in the society replete with stigmatization for the girl child. I wanted to reach out to them at the point of their needs. And for me to do so, I needed to understand what those needs are and what it felt like to be a woman in this part of the world. Your sister captured me when I was undergoing one of those tasks.
Which means you're not from downtown?
Not at all. I came into the country 4 months ago. Wow. I'm so sorry. I needed to complete the assignment, otherwise the course will be terminated.
You're sorry? You know, that's some creepy stuff there.
Well, my dear, what you're doing is very noble, and you have our support. Welcome.
Well done. I was told that the banquet is ready, so what are we waiting for?
So let's head to the bigger living room. Shall we?
You do that.
Come here. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a program for us at the Nollywood Group, as history is about to be made again. Today, I am stepping aside to hand over the baton of continuity to the next generation. As we all know, the Nnamdi Group is a consortium of generational growth and development. We have been touching lives for decades, which makes us the signature of all eyes and the ending of many. Today, as the man with the largest shares in the dynasty, I crave the indulgence to introduce again to you my successor. I am talking about Iman, vibrant and energetic, full of life and ideas. A man that will give us an edge at the marketplace. A man who we believe will take the dynasty to a higher plane. I am talking about my son, the Chukwemeka Chikezi Nnamdi.
Thank you very much, Daddy. I really appreciate this trust and confidence bestowed on me. You know, Daddy, if I say I'm not nervous, I'll lie. Of course, I am the true son of my father, and trust me to keep the legacy going. Gentlemen and elders here, it's such an honor for me actually to be sharing you all, and I promise that in my regime, nothing, but I mean nothing, the standards here won't drop. We're going to raise the bar so high that will become a force for the world to reckon with.